everyone, I am Sanobar, your GATE architecture mentor at Safal together. If you are currently managing college assignments or full-time job and still preparing for GATE, I completely understand what you are going through because I have been there too. During my own journey, I managed my B.Arch workload at NIT Patna while preparing for GATE, and I know how challenging it feels to balance everything. The real challenge. Balancing college or job with GATE preparation is not about doing everything. It's about doing the right things at the right time. The biggest mistake students make is waiting for a perfect time to start. There is no perfect time. Only small moments you make productive. So let's break down how to manage both effectively. Step 1. Understand your schedule. Know your schedule. First, map your daily routine. Note your office or class hour, travel time, and free hours. You will realize you still have 2 3 solid hours every day for focused study. Use these golden hours wisely, early morning or late nights, whichever suits your energy best. Morning hours are great for conceptual learning, nights are best for revision or previous year questions. Plan weekly, not daily. Instead of stressing over daily goals, make a weekly plan. For example, 3 days architectural topic, history, structure, services, 2 days planning management, 1 day general aptitude, Sunday mock test or revision. This flexibility keeps you consistent even if one day doesn't go as planned. Step 3. Focus on high weight topics. When your time is limited, prioritize topics that give you maximum return. For example, for architectural aspirants, history and contemporary architecture, building construction and structure, building services and environment. For planning, urban theory, acts and housing, transportation and environment planning. These section contributes almost 60 to 70% of total marks, so master them first. Make micro study session. When you are balancing multiple responsibility, small study blocks work better. Try to Pomodoro techniques, 25 minutes of focus study and 5 minutes break. Watch short conceptual videos during commute or lunch. Use weekends for deep study and weekdays for revision or practice question. Step 5. Test, revise, reflect. Re- Give mock text regularly to check your progress. Even if you can't complete the paper, practice time management. Keep a notebook of mistakes, revise them every week. This habits build confidence and accuracy even with limited hours. Stay consistent and kind to yourself. Balancing college or job with GATE preparation isn't about perfection, it's about persistence. Some days will be hectic, some weeks will be unproductive, and that's okay. The goal is to never give up on your consistency. Keep reminding yourself why you started, your dream college, your passion for architecture or planning, your next step. And if you need structure and guidance, join me in Suffer Together Warrior Batch, where we have designed the perfect system for working professional and college student. Thank you so much.